All right, Jersey John here. I'm here with my baby, my wife, Barbarita. We're down here at Card Sound Road, down by the Keys. She's gonna drop me off here, go to the restaurant. We're gonna fish in front of the restaurant with some live shrimp. Let's see how we do. All right, we have launched. I'm in a little backwater canal on the side of the road, Card Sound Road. You're gonna have the Biscayne Bay to the north, Keys to the south. There's a big bay to the other side of the mangrove here that'll take you across to Key Largo. The fishing here is usually awesome. It's a restaurant. They throw the food in the water, so it's loaded with fish. It's like fishing in a fishbowl. I got my girl. She's going to be at the restaurant. She loves fishing but hates boats and hates the water, so she's going to just be chilling, watching me fish. She's going to order me some lunch and hand it to me at some point. So usually I max out on snappers, catch 5 keepers. Usually catch like 30 or 40 with 3 dozen shrimp. It's on as soon as the bait hits the water. You either got a fish or your bait's gone. So I'm almost there. That's where I'm going. All right, let's see what we do. All right, first fish. Dog snapper. Second cast, second fish. Is a mangrove snapper. Mangrove snapper. All right, fourth cast, third fish is a mangrove snapper. All right, fish number 4 is a snapper. Now my girl's over here watching snapper. Fish number 7 is another. Now over here, my baby, we have a little shrimp. He's close.
Close to a keeper.
He's close to a keeper. Let me see. I think he is. Fish number 10. It's a baby snapper. And there's my baby.
Stingers, you can take them. Look at his face. You could literally
Got us a white run.
12.
Baby snapper. He's a little bigger snapper. Alright, now I'm on dry land, off the kayak. I'm gonna have lunch with my baby. And now I'm on dry land with my baby. Say hey, baby. Alright, done with lunch, back fishing. Fish number 20 is baby snapper. The tide has changed. Fish number 21 is a snapper. Alright, last bait, last fish. Fall down there in the water. It's a snapper. Look, they're down there. All right, had a bait, had a great day. Caught like 22 fish, Only one keeper. The big ones were there. They just weren't biting. But had fun. Got to have lunch with my baby and film an episode. So everybody be well. God bless. See you next time.